Hello everyone. Welcome to MBA Shorts. Today, we're diving into the world of finance with an exciting topic, Introduction to Accounting. Whether you're a student, a budding entrepreneur, or just someone curious about managing finances, this video is for you. So, what exactly is accounting? At its core, accounting is the systematic process of recording, summarizing, and analyzing financial transactions of a business or an individual. It's the language of business, helping us understand how money flows within an organization. Accounting as a science is used to collect, measure, and organize financial data for organizations and individuals. As an information science, accounting refers to collecting, processing, and analyzing information. As a financial science, accounting is about money, is quantitative, and measures money. As an organizational science, accounting is used by organizations to organize financial information of its business. Accounting is used by individuals, as they need to pay attention how much comes in and how much goes out. Accounting can be used by individuals for budgeting, income tracking, expense tracking, savings and investments, debt management, tax planning, net worth calculation, financial goal setting, emergency fund management, and regular financial checkups. Individuals may not need to implement complex accounting systems, but adopting basic accounting principles can significantly contribute to better financial management, planning, and decision-making in their personal lives. Accounting for organizations encompasses various aspects like financial reporting, budgeting, auditing, and tax compliance. Accounting in an organization involves various components that work together to ensure accurate financial reporting, informed decision-making, and compliance with regulations. Accounting consists of 7 key components: financial statements, bookkeeping, auditing, budgeting, tax compliance, management accounting, and accounting systems. Let's have a brief overview on each of these 7 key components. Financial statements. These include the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, providing a snapshot of the organization's financial health. Bookkeeping, recording daily financial transactions such as sales, purchases, receipts, and payments. Auditing, ensuring accuracy and compliance with accounting standards through internal or external audits. Budgeting, planning and allocating financial resources for various activities and projects. Tax compliance, meeting tax obligations and preparing tax returns in accordance with local regulations. Management accounting, providing internal financial information to aid decision-making, performance evaluation, and strategic planning. Accounting systems, utilizing software and tools to streamline processes, enhance accuracy, and facilitate reporting. All right, that wraps up our introduction to accounting. In this video, we've covered what is accounting, explored the topics of accounting as a science, accounting for individuals and organizations, and the 7 key components of accounting: financial statements, bookkeeping, auditing, budgeting, tax compliance, management accounting, and accounting systems.